I'm back with this ridiculous price for this mechanical keyboard. Good premium keyboard that normally costs an arm and a legs now go for under $65. I will leave a link below for someone who wants to pick it up for themselves. For this price range, you won't get a dust cover. That is a small matter I'm not going to nitpick about. This video is not sponsored by Royal Clutch, nor did they contact me. I purchased this with my own money. Later on, I will do the typing test and what kind of switches do they come with. Without further ado, let's get into the unboxing. It's one of those days that you want to go for a cleaner aesthetic for your desk. This keyboard is the one. From the description on Amazon website, this keyboard is heavily lubed, no mod needed. I will leave it the way it is. Casket mount with a couple of layers of damper on the inside, from what I saw in the diagram on their website. RGB backlit is bright enough but not too overpowered that blind you. Still, how do this company still stay in business selling at this crazy low price? That is what I'm asking myself. There is no margin of profit in it. Glad that with this price range, I'm getting 3 devices by way of Bluetooth connection, 2.4G wireless mode, and a USB-C wired mode. I pay for a higher price with other keyboard that had no RGB, no 2.4G wireless mode, just Bluetooth. I will do a review on that keyboard later on. Next to the port where you charge the keyboard or hotwire the keyboard to your computer, there is an actual charging port for your iPhone or other device. The weight on this is relatively light compared to my other keyboard that weigh like a brick.